Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Adoric Digital Food Scale. Woo! It goes from 1 gram, these are 0.002 lbs to 11 lbs. Capacity, accurate, wide measurements, stainless steel kitchen scale for meat, gram, coffee, bean, fruit, baking powder, and so many more. And it's an high accuracy, equipped with 4 high precision sensors, give this scale an accurate weight. Nice. Weight, all kind of meat, fruit, water, some everything, milk. What is in the kitchen, you can make a scale with it. Stainless steel platform. The surface of scale is made of food grade 304 stainless steel, which ensures food security and durability. The sleek and smooth, way high surface is easy to clean and to maintenance. There is a TARE function on board. The user-friendly design of TARE function allows you to zero the scale before adding additional ingredients. You can accurately measure every ingredient without having to measure them separately. This is nice. And the batteries are included, 2 of them, standard AAA batteries. Quick unit conversion among R's, ML, LBOs, gram, low battery indication and overload indications, easy to read backlit LCD display, auto off after 60 seconds for saving energy. And you can see 2 AAA batteries are included. It has a compact and on-skid design, slim and exquisite design, make the kitchen scale easy to store in any cabinet or drawer, and space saving for the kitchen essential. 4 soft pads at the bottom ensure sturdy weighing, and there is a label on top on the surface. This you have to remove before you can see the stainless finish. But this is a little bit tricky with only one hand. And of course, in the box, there is an instruction manual in English language. There it is. And some other English, French languages, and Italian, and so many. German too, Estland, all of that. Nice kitchen scale, really nice. I will use this kitchen scale in the future by my fast food quests, of course. So how we can use it? First step, we have to install the batteries and of course take the label off. And now you can see the nice surface. Oh, stainless steel. This is easy to clean and it makes a nice look, really nice. And this will hold your scale easily, dry and clean, of course. So let's go to the next step. We have to put in the batteries first because no power, no scaling. So there are 2 AAA batteries. Turn the scale upside down. There you can see the 4 feet. And in the middle, in the center, you can see a cover. This cover you have to open first by pushing the lever a little bit, and then you can see 2 springs. The springs are for the minus pole of your battery, and the opposite side is the plus pole. So let's have a look at the battery itself. There is a minus pole and there is a plus pole. Now, insert the minus pole at the spring, push it in position, and the first battery is installed. Let's go to the second battery. The same there, spring minus, and the other side is plus pole. Now reassemble the cover and Yeah, the kitchen scale is working easily, as you can see. So there are two buttons you can use. One button on the left side, this is the on and off button. You can push it to make or to boot your scale, and after you finished your work you can push there to switch the scale off, or you use the automatically turn off after about 60 seconds without operation. And now, as you can see, the right button, this is for your unit. Press unit button to choose a unit from OS MLG and OS LB. There you can switch the unit, and on the left side, of course, there is the button to make it back to 0 again. There it is. Good job. Easy going, easy use. Push it on, then tare it, push the next ingredients on top, tare it, and now it's too hot. 5 kilograms, that was to match, and it goes to an error code. So there it is, nice and easy to use. It looks a good finish, it looks a good shape. It is a small scale, but this is enough to work in the kitchen or in other cases too. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.